Good afternoon student. Now we are going to see how to index with the duplicate values in the list element. Now this topic is indexing of duplicate values in list. Now suppose this is your unordered U list is a list. Here the element of 12, 15, 19, 19, 51. These are the elements of list. Now if we are going to print the index of 19, because here there are two values, 219 on the list. Now if we are going to print, suppose we are going to print now see, if we are going to print the index of 19, then see what will be written by the interpreter. This return 2. If this is 2, then what will be the index of this 19? If we are again print the index of 19, again it will return 2, but here there are two values on the different index. Now if we are going to print the duplicate index, then now see here, list, this is our list. Now we are going to print the index of all element of this list for I in range length of U list and print I. If we are going to print this program, then see the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what will you see? See, if we are going to do indexing, now 12 is the as a position of 0 and 15 is the at the position of 1. This 19 is at position of 2 and this 19 is at position of 3 and this 54 is at the position of 4. This is our indexing of these element. This is your output written by the interpreter. So this is your output index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you are going to print index as a separate 19, then it will always return by the interpreter as 2. Now this is the way to print all the index of the duplicate element. Now if we are going to print the index of only 19, then we can check the condition if for I in range length U list, if U list I equal to 19, Now see, now we are going to print the index of 19 only. Now you can check the output. See, this is your output. This is 2 and 3. Here the index of 19 is here the index of 19 is written as 2 and 3. This is the way how to print the index of or check the index of duplicate value in the list. Now again you can check the output. So this is the index of first 19, this is the index of third 19, but in when we are going to print id of these 19, then it will be same. So I think now there is no doubt in duplicate element of list in indexing and storing the value to the variable. So thank you for watching today.